it's time for Science Eyes. Today we're going to make a magic hand. So you need the ring in your bag, you need the blue glove, and make sure it's upright like this because there's stuff in the bottom, and then you need the cup of vinegar. So what you're going to do first is you're going to take the lid off the vinegar and have someone at home help you, mom or dad or an adult. Then you're going to take the glove and untangle it and place it over the top of the cup, just like that. Keep it on a flat surface.
Did I cover it? Yep, I got it all covered.
All covered. And then it's going to begin to inflate.
Here, maybe shake some of the baking soda down into the vinegar.
Okay, we're going to shake it, shake it, shake it. Shake, shake, shake.
Very gently. I hear something. I hear something.
It inflated the balloon, the hand.
It's waving at you.
It's a magic hand. Look.